Hey guys, so you thought I was going to run out of uniforms, didn't you? Well, I am here to say that we have officially conquered yet another stretch goal on Forged in Snow, specifically the stretch goal for custom end sheets in the book. Those are the sheets between the book pages themselves and the cover, and we will now be setting those up with a cool custom finish themed decoration. And this means that we are on to our next Kickstarter goal, which I'm really excited about. That is custom frontispiece art. This is something we've also traditionally done on head stamp books. If we meet this stretch goal, I will find a Finnish artist and commission a piece of appropriately themed art for the frontispiece of the book. Not sure exactly what style or exactly what representation, like what's the art going to show? Not sure yet, but if you guys want to see a piece of cool custom art in the book, hit the Kickstarter campaign up and let's get past that next stretch goal. Thank you.